Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add everyone to your channel in your Slack workspace really quickly. So if you're interested, drop a like, and now let us get started. Head over to Slack, log into your account. Of course, next select your workspace here. That is going to redirect you to your workspace on Slack. So what you want to do, guys, is select the channel here from the left panel. So for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to invite all my workspace members to that channel here. So what you want to do, guys, is click on that channel name here at the top. And after that, you will see that menu here. So what you want to do is switch from about to members. And as you can see, currently there's only one member of the channel, which is me, the channel or the workspace owner. And I would like to add people from my entire workspace. For example, you will see your workspace members under the direct messages. So that's where you have had your conversations with your workspace members. So for the sake of this tutorial, I would like to invite that user here to that channel. So this is how you can do it, guys. Head back to your channel, click on the name here again, head over to members. And what you want to do, guys, is click on add people here. And after that, Slack will ask you to add people to your channel. For example, all members of the current workspace you're currently logged in, or to add specific people. So for example, guys, if you'd like to invite someone from outside Slack through their email address, simply type in the email address here. Alright guys, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to add all members from my workspace who haven't joined that channel yet. So to do that, select that option, click on add here, and after that the given user will be added to your list of members, as you can see here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.